one suitcase, a regular flight, and then suddenly, security alarm. You packed something that might get you stopped at any airport, even if you're flying first class. This isn't just a rookie mistake. Business travelers, seasoned explorers, even flight crew members have made this error, and they all got flagged. In this video, we're exposing 7 items that can instantly get you stopped at TSA. Mistake number 6. Almost every frequent flyer forgets it. Stay till the end, because skipping one of these might mean your entire vacation is over before it begins. Part 1. The unexpected stop. You're walking confidently through the airport. You've got priority boarding. Your documents are ready. Your gate is nearby and then TSA stops you. You feel confused? Embarrassed? You didn't do anything wrong. Or did you? This isn't just a story. It's a reality for thousands of travelers who unknowingly pack the wrong thing. And here's the twist. It's not drugs or weapons. Simple, everyday items even first-class passengers forget. The TSA doesn't care how often you fly. If your bag has a suspicious item, you're getting pulled aside. Sometimes it's random, but most of the time it's avoidable. In this video, you'll learn the top 7 items that can get you stopped, delayed, and embarrassed at any airport. Stay with us till the end because mistake number 6 is so common, even travel vloggers forget it. And yes, their cameras catch the moment every time. Part 2. What TSA really sees. So, what actually gets you flagged? Most travelers think it's just sharp objects or oversized liquids, but the truth is far deeper. When your bag goes through the scanner, TSA agents aren't just looking for what's dangerous, they re-scanning for what's unusual. Let me explain. That block of cheese you packed from Italy. It looks like a solid block on the scanner, same signature as explosives. That deodorant can. Pressurized and metallic triggers suspicion instantly. Your souvenir from Turkey contains powdery residue. Boom. Random check. And here's the kicker, TSA doesn't announce your mistake. They just pull you aside. Silent, cold, curious passengers stare. Your heart races. No amount of travel experience saves you if what you re-carrying looks wrong on a screen. And the most dangerous part? Most of these items are completely legal, but they still get you stopped, slowed down, and sometimes miss your flight. Part 3. The number 1 item that looks innocent, but isn't. Let's start with the most common culprit. Powders. Baby powder, protein shake mix, makeup setting powder, even foot powder. Looks innocent, right? But in TSA's scanner, any fine white substance can resemble explosives or banned narcotics. Agents are trained to spot density patterns, not brands. That means your $60 luxury face powder could get your bag flagged, just like illegal substances would. And guess what? If it's more than 12 ounces, TSA can remove it, test it, or just toss it entirely. All while you wait nervously with people behind you, sighing, watching, whispering. Even seasoned travelers forget this one. We've seen first-class passengers pulled over just for packing whey protein in a Ziploc bag. Imagine explaining that. Pro tip, always pack powders in their original containers. And if it's over 12 ounces, pack it in checked luggage, never in your carry-on. Part 4. The gadget that screams danger on X-ray. Now let's talk about something everyone carries. Electronics. But not just your laptop or phone. It's the less obvious gadgets that cause the most drama. TSA scanners are extremely sensitive to dense, layered electronics. Think external hard drives, power banks, portable projectors, gaming consoles, even electric toothbrushes. Why? Because anything with a battery, coil, or magnetic element looks suspiciously like detonation components under X-ray. One traveler once packed a DSLR camera lens wrapped in a sweater. It showed up as a dense metal cylinder and, yes, TSA halted the entire line. Here's the golden rule. Take out every electronic larger than a cell phone. Even if you think they won't care. The one time you don't, They absolutely will. And if your power bank is over 100 watt-hours, you're not just getting stopped. You might get banned from boarding. Part 5. The sneaky food that gets you flagged instantly. You might love snacks. We all do, but TSA, not so much, especially when it comes to soft, spreadable, or sticky foods. Think about it. Peanut butter, hummus, yogurt, cream cheese, even fruit jams, from your favorite vacation spot. All of these count as liquids or gels under TSA rules. And anything over 3.4 ounces is a no-go. But here's where it gets tricky. Many of these items are packed in souvenir jars or reusable containers without labeling. The scanner picks up the unusual texture, and you're pulled aside for secondary inspection. One traveler shared how a tiny jar of Nutella got her entire bag emptied and scanned twice. Not because it was dangerous, but because it was unclear. Rule of thumb? If you can squish, smear, or pour it, it's a liquid. And liquids over the limit, say goodbye. Unless you want to be that person at security, don't pack it. Part 6. Mistake number 6. The smart luggage that can get you banned in 2025. More travelers are buying smart luggage bags with built-in chargers, GPS, Bluetooth locks, and even weight sensors. Sounds high-tech, right? But what most people don't know is that these bags contain non-removable lithium batteries. And TSA, they've had enough. Smart bags with fixed batteries are banned from all major airlines. Even first-class flyers have been told to step aside, open their bag, and explain the tech. Here's what happens. TSA sees a dense battery pack embedded inside your luggage. They flag it. You get stopped. They ask if the battery is removable. Not, you either remove it on the spot or don't board the flight no matter your ticket class. The worst part? Many smart bags don't look smart from the outside. Travelers don't even realize what they're carrying until it's too late. Always check. If your luggage has tech inside, make sure the battery can be removed easily or pack it in your carry-on. Part 7. The forgotten item that triggers instant detention. This one is shocking because it happens when you don't even know it is in your bag. We're talking about forgotten tools or self-defense items, small pocket knives, mini screwdrivers, pepper spray, even nail clippers with a sharp file. You packed them months ago where they were left in a side pocket of your backpack. You forgot, but the scanner didn't, and TSA doesn't take it lightly. You won't just be stopped, tool. Be detained, questioned, and sometimes even reported to airport police. Here's a true story. A man flying for a business meeting was pulled aside because a multi-tool was stuck deep in his laptop bag. It belonged to his son from a trip 2 years ago. He missed his flight, lost his luggage, and had to rebook everything. That's how serious TSA is about this stuff. Before every trip, open every zip, every flap. Check every compartment, test bags you haven't used in a while. It's always better to check than to get stopped, searched, or worse. Part 8. Final warning. One mistake can cost you everything. Here's the truth. Most people don't get caught because they mean to break the rules. They get caught because they didn't know better. In 2025, TSA scanners are smarter, faster, and less forgiving. That tiny mistake like protein powder in a Ziploc, a vape battery in your carry-on, or smart luggage with a fixed cell. It's enough to get you flagged, searched, delayed, or even banned from flying. And the worst part? It always happens when you least expect it. A honeymoon trip, a business class flight, your first vacation in years. Imagine missing your flight not because of overbooking, but because of a lip balm, a forgotten battery, or a tiny blade in a side pouch. So if you want stress-free travel, rewatch this video, share it with a friend, and triple-check your bag before you head to the airport, because these aren't just packing tips. They're the difference between flying first class and not flying at all. Safe travels in Don T. Forget to subscribe for more airport hacks you won't hear anywhere else. If you avoid these 7 packing mistakes, you'll save yourself time, stress, and even money. You won't miss flights. You won't lose your valuables. And most importantly, you'll keep a clean TSA record. So next time you pack, remember this list. And if you found this video helpful, share it with your travel buddy right now. Hit that subscribe button on Airport Hacks and Tips. Because we don't just help you fly. We help you fly smarter. And drop a comment. What's one packing mistake you've made that almost ruined your trip?